The Trojan War had its roots in the marriage between Peleus and Thetis. A sea goddess, Peleus and Thetis had not invited Elis, the goddess of discord, to their marriage, and the unlatched goddess stormed into the wedding banquet and threw a golden apple onto the table. The apple belonged to Elis said he never was the fairest. Hera, Athena, and Aphrodite each reached for the apple. Zeus proclaimed that Paris, Pinocchio thought to be the most beautiful man alive, who'd act as the judge. Hermes went to Paris, and Paris agreed to act as the judge. Hera promised him power, Athena promised him wealth, and Aphrodite promised the most beautiful woman in the world. Paris showed Aphrodite, and she promised him that Helen, wife of Menelaus, would be his wife. Paris then prepared to set off for Sparta to capture Helen. In Sparta, Menelaus, husband of Helen, teased Paris as a loyal guest. However, when Menelaus left Sparta to go to a funeral, Paris abducted Helen and also carried off much of Menelaus' wealth. No one knows exactly how, but somehow Menelaus heard that his wife Helen had been kidnapped by Paris, a prince of Troy. Menelaus went after his wife to rescue her, and Menelaus then called upon all of Helen's old suitors, as all of the suitors had made an oath long ago that they would obey Helen's husband to defend her honor. Many of sisters did not wish to go to war. Odysseus pretended to be insane, but Tityche was uncovered by Palamedes. Achilles thought not one of the previous sisters was sought after because the seer Cancus had stated that Troy would not be taken unless Achilles would fight.
The Greek feast assembled under Amennon's inspection in Elis. However, Amemnon either killed one of Diana's guests or made a careless boat. Either way, Diana was outlawed and she climbed the sea so that the feast could not take off. Fighting Troy proved difficult, however, and the Greek fleet at first landed in Mysia. According to Herodotus, the Greeks were under the impression that Helen had been taken by the Trojans, and thought the Trojans denied such allegations. The Greeks laid siege to the city, and the Greeks ultimately prevailed but preferred heavy casualties at the hands of Telephus.
The first 9 years of the war consist of both war in Troy and war against the neighboring region. The Greeks realized that Troy was being supplied by its neighboring kingdoms, so Greeks were sent to defeat this area, as well as destroying Trojan's economy. This battle let the Greeks get a large amount of resources, and other spoils of war include women. The Greeks won many important battles, and the Trojan hero Hector fell, as did the Trojan ally Petesil. However, the Greeks could not break down the walls of Troy. Perdiccas was killed, and soon after, Achilles was felled by Paris. Helenus, son of Priam, has been captured by Odysseus. Alphabet. Helenus told the Greek that Troy would not fall unless Priam's Achilles' sons fought in war. The bow and arrow of Hercules were used by the Greeks against the Trojans. The remains of those, the famous Ilian hero, were brought to Troy, and the Palladium estate of Athena was stolen from the Troy.
Still seeking to gain entrance into Troy, cable Odysseus, some say with the aid of Athena, ordered a large wooden horse to be built. Its inside were to be hollow so that soldiers could hide within it. Once the statue had been built by the artist Hippias, a number of the Greek warriors, along with Odysseus, climbed inside. The rest of the Greek fleet sailed away, so as to deceive the Trojans. One man, Sinon, was left behind. When the Trojans came to marvel at the huge creation, Sinon pretended to be angry with the Greeks, stating that they had deserted him. He assured the Trojans that the wooden horse was safe and would bring luck to the Trojans. The Trojans celebrated what they thought was their victory and dragged the wooden horse into Troy. That night, after most of Troy was asleep or in a drunken stupor, Sinon led the Greek warriors out from the horse, and they slaughtered the Trojans. Priam was killed at the hurdle by Zeus Arthur, and Cassandra was pulled from the statue of Athena and left.
The surviving Trojan women were divided among the Greek men along with the Arthur plunder. The Greeks then set sail for home.